So here a few numbers have been given and you have to find out which number should be over here from all these options over given over here. Okay, so simply you can see you have to practice to get such quickly solve such questions, because without practice you don't know what all kind of things can actually come, like what all kind of division, multiplication, or addition, subtraction, what is involved, you cannot get without any practice. Okay, so see here last and first, when you will be adding last this first and last number, you will get 10. Okay, and that should be the sum of the middle number. Okay, 7 plus 3, 10. Here all the numbers are same, so you cannot get it over here. So see it here also the same thing applies. 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Right, so the sum of first and third number is 8, and the sum of all the digits in the middle number should also be equivalent to this 8 only, and it is 8. Okay, so here also the same thing should apply. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, and here 1 plus how much will be 10? It should be 9. 9 plus 1 will be 10. So here which number should come? It is option C, 9. Now the next question. Here also you have to find out the number which should be over here at the place of x. Okay, here a few numbers have been given. So let's see. Here the sum of the digits or the numbers, the sum of all these numbers should be equivalent to 60. Okay, here 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, so 0 and carry is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it comes out to be 60. Same here. Here 27 plus 3, 30, 30 plus 30, 60. Right, here you have to add and then subtract it from 60. Okay, 33 plus 19. Here 33 plus 19 will come out to be 52. Okay, and 60 minus 52 will be 8, and that is our option D. It is not visible, but that is our option D. Okay, now the next question. Here two boxes or the matrix have been given, and you have to find out according to the pattern or followed in this matrix, you have to apply it over here as well. Okay, so if you could see 2 into 40 is 80. 6 into 4 is 24. 2 into 40 is 80. 2 into 4 is 24. Okay, and now we will see that is this the pattern which is being followed over here as well. Okay, so we will compare this one with this. Okay, so here 3 into 40 should be 120, and yes, it is here 120. Okay, so we will apply the same pattern over here as well. Okay, now 36. So 9 multiplied by 4 will be 36. So which number should come over here? It should be 9. Okay, so our answer is option C. Now this is from 2016 paper, last year paper. A military code writes a system as this and nearer as this. Using the same code, you have to write down the fraction and how this fraction can be coded in the same language. Okay, and here you have been given a few options. Let's see. We will see first how they have been coded, then we will find the coding for fraction. See here, this is how they have done. Okay, first became the third. They have divided it from the middle section only. 3 letters on this side and 3 letters on this side. They have divided from the mid. Okay, same here with the nearer as well. Okay, so first letter became third, and here mid letter is obviously there only, and this third letter became the first one, and the same they have repeated with this one. Okay, same pattern for nearer as well. Many of you will tend to be confused that here cis and cis, they are the same. They are at the same place. Okay, SS, YY, SS, and here also for the RER also, they most of you will get confused, like RER, are there's at their own place, right? See, the reason behind giving these two letters and their coding was to tell you this thing only, that they are actually changing the position of all the letters. They are actually changing the position of the letters, all the, whether they are the first three letters or the last three letters. Okay, now here we have to find it out for fraction. Okay, now see here, there are total 8 letters over here. In fraction, total 8 letters. We will divide it from the mid. Here 4 letters will be on this side and 4 letters will be on this side. We will apply the same method. Okay, crisscross, we will multiply the apply the same method, crisscross method. Okay, crisscross, first became 4, second became second last, then third became second, and this fourth became first, and similarly over here. Okay, now our answer is calf knot. Calf knot here. Option D is our answer. So this was the last question from all the this lesson for, and this is it. These are the questions which have been asked by UPSC till now. I'm hopeful that they will ask this year again, because they had never asked such question. Okay, so I'm hopeful.